Hey everyone, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video we are going to talk about an automation which will let you collect leads from TikTok and save them in a database in Stackby application. So guys, other than addictive content, TikTok is also getting famous for providing cheap leads for your business because TikTok has lower cost per lead in comparison to other social media platforms. So if you want to collect those leads, you can use this automation that we are about to set up, and it will take the leads from TikTok and save it in a separate database, and that will take your lead generation strategy to the next level. Okay, so let me show you how it is going to work. So it is going to work like this. As and when you get a lead generated from TikTok lead generation tool, the same lead will be added in a database in a row that you have in Stackby application. And this whole process is going to happen automatically. And to make this happen, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation tool. And the best part of setting up this automation is that you will not require any coding skills or programming knowledge. So now let us set up this automation together. So guys, the first step to set up this automation is to log in into your Pabbly Connect account. So guys, please do check the link that we have for you in the description, from where you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account, and you will get 100 free tasks for every month with that account. And after that, you can log in and reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect here like this. And here you have to create a workflow to set up this automation. And to do that, just click here on this create workflow button. And here you can give any suitable name to this workflow. So let me fill the name here. So I have given the name to this workflow as send TikTok leads to Stackby database automatically. Okay. Now you can click here on this create button and you can see your workflow getting created here like this. Okay. And on this page, you will find these two things, the trigger and the action. So this automation is going to work on these two things. The trigger is happening of any event. So it is saying when this happens, action will make Pabbly Connect do this, or action will make this software perform any action according to the trigger. Okay. So here in our use case, the trigger would be generation of any lead from TikTok, and the action to this trigger is to send that same lead into Stackby database. Okay. So first of all, you have to set up your trigger. For this, you just have to click here and you have to choose your trigger application, which is TikTok lead generation tool. Okay, so you have to type TikTok here and you will find this TikTok lead generation icon. Click on it to select it, and after that, it will ask for the trigger event. So the trigger event would be this new lead. So it will trigger this workflow whenever you got a new lead generated from a lead ad you are running on TikTok. Okay. So here is my lead ads manager of TikTok's dashboard, and here I have created this contact form, and from this form only I am going to generate leads. But right now I am not running any live ad on TikTok. So if you are running a live ad, you can use this new lead trigger event, and it will capture the lead and bring it here. Let me show you how. So after selecting this new lead, click on connect. And from this window, select add new connection and then click on connect with TikTok lead generation. So we are connecting with TikTok here. And from this window, it will bring you to the login panel of TikTok if you are not logged in. And if you are logged in like me, it will just ask for the permission. Okay, so you just have to click here on this button. Let me show you this confirm button, and it will be connected with TikTok. You can see the authorization is successful here like this, and we are connected now. Okay, now it is asking for the advertiser's ID. So here my ID, the ID I'm using is this one, MagnetBrains LLC 1221. I have two IDs here, but I'm using this one. So you have to select your advertiser's ID from this drop down like this. Okay. And here it will ask for the lead generation form that you are using. So I have created this one, contact form, to collect leads. So you can select the form from this drop down like this. And then when you click here on save and send test request, it will start waiting for the response to get captured from your live lead ads that you are running on TikTok. Okay. So right now I am not running any live ads, so it will keep on waiting. Okay. So for this, what we can do, we are going to generate a test lead. because we want to set up this automation. So for that we are going to generate a test lead, and you can generate a test lead with the help of this action button. So click on this action panel, and we are going to connect TikTok again, TikTok lead generation, and we are going to select an action event now, which is this create test lead. So it will create a test lead for you, and with the help of that test data we are going to set up this automation further. Okay, so I'm going to select this create test lead option, then click on connect here, and from this window select add new connection, and then click on connect with TikTok lead generation. Okay, so it is asking for the permission again. So give the required permission like this, click on confirm, and you will be connected with TikTok again. Okay, so you can see the authorization is successful and we are connected again. And select your advertiser's ID again, select your contact form, the lead generation form again, and then click on save and send test request, and it will give you the data of a test lead. Okay, so you can see now in this response received section we got the data of a test lead, and here is the name of the test lead as test first name, the test last name, the test email address. So actually these are the things which a person is going to fill in your lead generation form. Let me show you. So if you are running a live ad, what will happen? The person who is going to click on the ad, as and when he is going to click on the ad, the lead ad form will open up. Okay, and in that form he is going to fill the details, and that details is going to be captured here like this in Pabbly Connect. Okay, in real time. So let me show you the form. So in this form you can see I have these fields: first name, last name, email, and the phone number. So Pabbly Connect has given us the test details of these fields as the test first name, test last name, test email address, and the test phone number also. So this is how you are going to capture the data, and you can see in the first step also it get this in the first step also we got the same data of a test lead captured, because the trigger is the same. Trigger works for the lead generated. Okay, so whenever a lead is going to generate, whether it be a real lead or a test lead, the data get captured here like this. Okay, so we got the data in both of these steps now of the test lead. Now I want to send the data of the lead generated in real time in my Stackby application. For that, what you have to do, you have to click here on this plus icon, and from another action step we are going to select our action application, which is Stackby. So you can see this is my Stackby's dashboard, and here is a stack that I have created named as TikTok, and this is the table I have created in this stack named as lead. Okay, so we are going to connect Stackby first from this action step. Type here Stackby, and you will find this icon. Select it, and in the action event you have to select this create a row option. So it will create a new row, and in that row the data is going to be filled like this. Okay, so let me select this create a row, then click on connect here, and from this window select add new connection, and here it is asking for the API key to connect with Stackby. So you have to go to your profile in Stackby, and there you will find the key in the account section. So you can read the instruction here. Let me show you how you are going to find it. So here in Stackby application, click on this profile icon, and then this you will find this account option. Click on accounts tab, and in the Stackby account page, when you scroll down here, you will find this API key. Okay, so you can generate a key for yourself. I have already generated, so I'm just going to click on this copy icon, and I'm going to paste this key here in this field in Pabbly Connect like this, and then click on save, and you will be connected with Stackby. Okay, so it will take a few moments, and we got connected. And now it is asking for the workspace name, the stacks name, and the tables name. So here you can create workspaces, then under that workspace you can create these stacks and the tables. So I'm using this workspace. Let me show you. The name of the workspace is this one, TikTok Stackby This is the name of the workspace, and here is the stack named as TikTok, and here is the table named as lead. So select the workspace first, which is this one, TikTok Stackby, and then you have to select the name of the stack, and so you can see the stack got selected automatically because we have only one stack here, and the lead and the name of the table is selected also because we have only one table here. Okay, now it is asking for these details: the first name, the last name, the email, the contact number, and the lead. Okay, so these are all the fields that you have in your table here as the headers. Okay, so you can map this data that we got from the first and the second step to here. And when you map the data, what will happen in real time? When you get a real lead, the data will be changed automatically here, and it will be saved in your Stackby application. Okay, so to map the data that you have received here in the first and second step, you just have to click, you just have to come here and click on these fields like this, and you will find both of these steps. So you can map the data from any of the step. I'm using this second one, and here I'm going to map the first name, okay, the test name, the last name as well, okay, like this, and the email also from the second step. Okay, so if you got the contact number, you can map the contact number, but it do not give you the test contact number. You can see. Okay, actually we do have a contact number here, the test contact number. I didn't find it for the first time. Here it is. This is the data lead phone number. So map this contact number here like this. Okay, now let's check our connection with Stackby. I'm clicking here on save and send test request now. And you can see this is the response we have received in Pabbly Connect. Now let's check in my Stackby application if we got the data. And I am opening my stack here, and we got a new row added here like this. Okay, and this is the same test data we have received, but we have received the lead ID differently. Okay, because this is a it generate a new lead ID every time with a new lead. Okay, so if in real time you are going to get a real lead, the real lead will be traveled here and get added here automatically. Okay, you need not to do anything manually then. Okay, so we are done setting up this automation, and you have to set up this automation only once. You have to make the connections and map the data only once. After that, you don't have to do anything manually. After that, as and when you will get a real lead from the live lead ad from TikTok, the same lead ad will be saved here in your Stackby database. Okay, so now let me give you a quick recap what we have done here. So first of all, in the trigger, let me show you. In the trigger, I connected TikTok lead generation tool, and I have shown you how it will keep on showing, waiting for the response if you are not running the live ad. Okay, so we are not running the live ad, so I have created a test lead with the help of this actions tab and with the help of this action event, that is create test lead. Okay, and we have created a test lead, and we got the data of the test lead, and after that I connected Stackby application in another step and mapped the data required to be traveled to Stackby and saved there like this, and our connection was proper. Okay, now you just have to click on save, and we are done. And guys, the best part is you can use the same workflow that I have created, because I'm going to paste the link of this same workflow in the description so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.